What is this nigga, y'all? What it is, my nigga? So look. Nah, let me get you,
Get me.
All right. Cool, you get me, yeah. While I get you.
All right, come on. What we doing? Yo?
So like, all right. Wipe it off. All right. So they can see me and they can see me, but the whole time they seeing you.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So look, you ready for this video?
Look, yo, I'm a listen. Oh, watch the car.
Oh shit, the car already hit us.
Look, yo, right, I'm tapping in with my bands, tired of kid. Yo.
Right.
I hope you did me right. Look, I'm gonna try to spice it up because I seen this last blind date. I think I can make this one a little better.
So you gonna do better than the last blind date?
Of course, yo. This is my first ever blind date. I've been trying to get on one, but I don't really be, doing stuff like this. So I'm stepping on my element this time. You know what I'm saying? So who else better do it than with my man? You feel me?
I mean, we're gonna need you to come on, my nigga.
All right, look, y'all. I don't know how this finna go. You take these blindfolds off. I'm gonna have to delete some shit. I need that.
I got you.
So like, how do y'all feel about marriage?
Oh wait, who going first?
I'll go first. How I feel about marriage? Shit, I do want to get married, but it's probably gonna take a minute. You know what I'm saying? Like,
take a minute?
Yeah, I don't know when yet.
So what age frame do you feel like you should get married?
Me? Shit, it depends. Like, not too old, but not dumb young. Probably like 25 and up. Probably
25. Okay, what
that's
you think?
Cool.
I'm thinking. All right, so I'm thinking like a cool like 40,
damn.
late 30s, y'all. Cause listen, you really don't be knowing.
Try to be thugging it out.
Yeah.
Can I ask you? Can I ask you?
Granny in the strip club at 39 because she's not 40 yet.
Even look for females in her 40.
Why 40 though? Like,
because you really gotta get to know people for real. Like you really don't be knowing these people for real. So it's like just sticking to my lips.
What if you like
sticking to your lips?
Yes, I got lip gloss on.
What if you like find the nigga you want to be with at a young age though?
Say it again.
Like, what if you find a nigga you want to be with at a young age?
Then that's 40? Cool. Then if we really talking about it and we both come to an agreement to get married at a specific age, then all right, that's cool. But right now, me,
40? I'm
giving my late 30s. Like,
all right, yeah, that's cool. Like 30, 35.
Yeah, 35.
All right, see me here.
Okay, that's
cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
My hair probably look funny with this jacket over, but it's okay.
So y'all want one more question, or do y'all want to take the blind?
I'm scared. More questions.
I got one.
Okay.
You got one?
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
How do y'all feel about kids?
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
What about 15?
Oh my God! Hold
relax,
on,
bro. Fuck it, just cheap about a dozen.
Right, go ahead.
Wait, what he say?
No,
say it again.
Something about a dozen.
Nah. Go ahead, answer the question.
Said something about he wants you.
Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro.
You
had to catch it, bro. You had to catch it.
Okay, how I feel about kids? I actually want my first child at 22. Ooh. But that's crazy because that's next year. So I think
we need to ask that. How old are y'all?
21.
I'm 20.
Okay.
Oh, what?
So she said that's next year, right?
I turned 21 this year.
Oh,
in October. Chill out.
Okay.
So yeah.
Math.
I want 2 kids though.
2 kids?
Yeah.
I do 2. You want a boy or girl or 2 girls?
I want a girl and a boy.
See,
so I can experience both of them for real.
So
which one first though?
A girl.
Oh fuck no.
Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
Yeah. I want a boy first. I don't know, but
I'm really not picky. Like I don't care, but like that's what I prefer.
Right. Fuck with it. What's the next question when we taking it off?
Next question was really to take the blindfolds off.
I'm scared.
So y'all want to give us a countdown? Like what you want to do?
Oh, take them off. Oh.
Hold on.
Rip me out though.
Oh my bad. Rip out the plastic.
Who, me?
Both of y'all. All right. Come over a little bit so you can be in the camera.
Hi y'all.
What's up, yeah? Damn, I can't even see for real. Over here.
That's my butt up and everything.
How y'all feeling?
I'm cool, you see?
Don't do that. You know who I am. Please.
I don't know you. I don't know you for real.
So how y'all feeling about each other for real?
How you feeling?
I got y'all right?
How you feeling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What that mean?
I'm sorry. Hold on, y'all, because I took the bag off, so now I'm shy. But
don't be shy around me.
It's okay.
I feel good, yo. She pretty.
Thank you.
Me?
What y'all rate each other on the scale of 1 to 10?
They been stiff with the question. What you rate me?
It's not.
We being stiff. I'm just like.
You gotta look at me like what you ready. Don't look that way. You gotta look at me.
Alright, I give you a cool 9. Yeah, you look good.
9 too. I ain't gonna lie.
Right, look, right, based off of like the looks already, like y'all really don't know each other yet, but based off of just the looks, right?
Right.
Can y'all see yourself going on like an actual date?
Yeah, I take on a date. That ain't about nothing. That ain't about nothing. We can do that. She all like tired.
First date for real.
Me?
Where would you take her?
Where would I take her, bro? See, me, I'm a fun nigga, so me ain't doing nothing boring. So we probably do some cool shit like, what you like to eat?
I'm not a picky eater.
What you like to eat though? Like, what's your favorite food?
I don't know.
Like seafood shit like that?
Yeah, I like seafood. I just like seafood.
So look,
yeah.
I'm a funny. We probably go zip line on some cool shit. Maybe arcade, you know what I'm saying? Then we go out to eat at a seafood spot on some cool shit, and then see where that night take us on some cool shit. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. You know, some fun shit.
Yeah.
So where would you want to go on your first date? Take me to Zaxby's.
No. Yo, go ahead. Anyways, I don't know, because since he said something about seafood, like I want a little seafood boil for my first date, for real.
A little seafood boil. We can do that.
Alright.
This nigga Rock taking pictures and shit, bro. Oh man. Nothing, bro. Come on, continue the video. What's the question?
This y'all like, hey,
just us.
No.
Anything you want?
Y'all was talking. The questions come when it's bored.
You can ask me anything you want to know.
Yeah, ask me anything. Then you do.
I don't know.
Damn.
I don't know. You can ask me something. I don't know.
All right, what you like in a man? Like, what's your type?
My type is a dark skin.
Dark skin. So I don't fit the description.
No, I'm not saying it like that, but yeah.
But
I like niggas with hair though. So, I know you got but I like niggas with hair. No.
Like,
Alright, my bad.
Press the button.
bro.
Hey, we good.
Is we really good?
Yeah, we straight. We straight.
We should be straight.
Alright, so we back in this bitch. So do y'all know each other names?
No.
Y'all go ahead and say each other names.
What's your name?
My name is Shay.
Shay. My name Juno.
Juno?
Yeah.
Okay.
My name. Alright, let me ask you a question. How tall you is?
I'm 4'11".
4'11". I like that. Fun size. That's good. I like to pick girls up and shit like that. So
right.
You can do shit like that. You got a question for me or no?
No, I don't. Ty didn't tell me come with some questions, so.
Like, it's nothing you want to know.
Right.
Ty, I'm looking at you through the camera. Stop playing.
Why would I tell you come with some questions?
Okay, all right.
Anything you ask me.
If y'all feel comfortable saying it, what's your body count? Y'all complete the 5th, man.
Mine is 4.
Mine's less. Mine's 3, bro. On a calm tip, 3.
I just got 4. So.
Just got.
Not like
Tough.
Oh shit.
Tough.
No, not today. Stop.
Tough.
All right. Don't even.
Shit.
Fuck.
Yo.
Shit.
So,
not like that.
Right. Have you had a threesome?
Nah.
Have you had a threesome?
Nope.
You wanna have one?
Yeah.
Shit. You might have to make something work now. Might be. No, don't wait looking over there though. Look at me.
But
we might have to make something work though. I ain't gonna run a threesome.
So
okay.
Like
it's good.
Damn. All right,
she ain't got no eye contact for real. So
I like eye contact, but it just make me so
you like eye contact. You can do eye contact.
Of course, bro.
Do eye contact with him for 10 seconds.
You ready?
Yo, they want 10
seconds.
10 seconds. Come here.
Start whenever y'all ready.
Come here. Come here. You gotta look at me. Look up.
I cannot, yo. Oh my god, bro. That make, bro. Yes, I fold every time with eye contact.
What that make you do?
It
turn you on?
Yeah.
Turn you on.
Getting into that, yo. Let's play truth with that. Y'all want to play truth with that?
Come on, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't coming. Yeah, we getting spicy
truth
with this shit.
All right, look, right. Y'all only get one cop out. It's gonna be 2 truths and 2 dares, bro.
One cop out.
One cop out, bro.
You heard that, right?
Who wanna go first?
No, come on. All right, come on. Me first.
All right. Truth or dare?
Come on, bro. Dare. I ain't coming to play, bro.
I dare you to whisper something freaky in her ear.
Come here.
Oh, okay.
It's a paragraph in that motherfucker.
I was there for
what would you rate what he said 1 out of 10?
A 10.
A 10? So what he say?
Chill out, bro. That's for her.
None of your business.
That's for her to find out.
Okay. Your turn. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth?
All right, there.
Nah, it's cool. Truth. It's cool. You can start off like you want. Is it true that you can see yourself having a sex fantasy over him?
Wait, say it again?
Basically, can you see y'all two having sex? Like, can you vision it?
Man, I'm coming with you.
Yeah. Pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. You should have heard what I told her.
You can hit him. Go ahead.
Come on, there, bro. I ain't going no truths in this video.
You irky.
I'm irky. You wanna go? No.
No. Go ahead.
No. What's the word, gangster?
You said there, right?
Yeah.
I dare you to kiss her neck for 10 seconds.
What? Pressure. Ty, shut up.
You gotta record this for me, though.
Guys,
Tell me your rule. You said kiss it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna add my own flair to it? Just kiss her.
Do your thing, 10 seconds.
10 seconds?
Yeah, 10 seconds.
I like that.
What you want again?
I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't counting. I don't think that was 10
I wasn't
seconds.
counting either, but it was like 5.
It wasn't 10?
Yeah, I don't think
It was like 3
You want it again?
seconds.
You want it again? Same time?
Go with it.
Truth or dare?
Y'all gonna be mad if I say truth again?
You only get one cop out anyway. So you fucked.
Alright, there. Oh my god,
Yeah.
do it.
So I dare you suck his neck for 10 seconds instead of kiss his son.
I need this on my shit.
Bro! Can somebody count out loud?
No counting.
Why? Because I'm not. Okay.
I got trauma count for you.
No
You
counting,
got
fuck.
you.
No counting, yo.
No, I'm sure you got you.
No counting.
Whenever you ready, you can proceed to suck on
I'm
his
ready. My
blessings.
shit gonna die. My
She
shit
got blessed on the side of his neck.
Yo, you drink too much. You are like stuck with his blessings.
Chill out,
I
fool.
get that with
You
you, bro.
OC, damn. You set yourself up, what? You mean? Him. You ready? Oh, you...
Yeah.
Right, give me something.
Damn, them like bright as fuck.
Bright as fuck.
You gotta show me something.
I'm sorry, y'all. Yes, I am.
You shy? It's cool to be shy.
Shut up. Ty, please.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Damn, I tasted everything you sprayed on your fucking neck.
That's tough.
What it tastes like?
What it tastes like?
Alcohol. The fuck?
Ew, bro.
Look.
Lotion soap.
Cologne. But I can't smell good though, right?
Mhm.
I'm saying, that means you know I ain't dirty.
Look right. Look right.
Hey.
We ready to step out for a minute.
Oh yeah, we might as well get out.
We
We've been in here too long.
Yeah, my legs cramping up and
My
all
back
that. We gonna
hurting
leave
and
y'all
shit.
in here though.
So
We
like,
gonna leave y'all
you
in
know
here.
this is a coupe though, so
Yeah,
you
so
gotta
you
get
gotta-
out
yeah.
I gotta
first.
step out, yeah.
Yeah. Baltimore
No,
coupe.
stop it.
No, keep
Keep it rolling.
That ain't gonna run out of shit.
It be hella get hot.
Your skinny ass.
I'm getting you right. Chill. I was getting out. You right? You fucking. God, you say no more.
Why they get up the car, yo? Why they get up the car? I don't know why.
So we gonna walk around in the market a little bit.
Just take our time.
All right, we gonna take our time.
Alright, we here. Other people's name is on my camera.
Yo, it's Shay. Shay from IG. Follow me.
We here with Shay, yo. How you feeling so far about the date? Like,
I'm cool.
you fucking with me? You not? Let me know something. Please tell me.
Yeah, I am.
So like, how you rating the date so far? 1 through 10.
A cool 8 for
8. How can you make it a 10? But it's not spicy enough for you.
I don't know.
What you
I
trying?
mean, it can get a little spicy, but
Yo, I'm with my date. She looking good. Shay. I feel like we gotta turn it up. Like, what y'all want to see right quick? What you want to do? You got a dare for me?
I don't know.
I feel like I want to do something, but it's like, I don't know. You gotta agree to it type shit. Like, for the camera type shit.
You guys say that this for me to agree to.
I feel like they want to see like us like more kissing and shit like that. For the dare type P, like y'all want to see us kiss, yo? Let me know something. Like y'all want.
And I know all y'all stay gay. Like y'all just some freaks. Like,
I think they want to see us kiss. Like want some calm shit. Like what you want? Like we can kiss. You want to kiss? Like let me know something.
Yo, man, something you. Why you asking
come here.
me?
Hey, yo. I think she fooling, bro. But look, yo, I ain't gonna lie, they not coming back in this car, bro. Me and she taking over the coupe. We might pull off in it.
Yeah, I'm too, y'all.
I'm fucking with her. She
Yo, he know me. He seen me before. He seen me multiple times at that.
I never seen her, bro. I don't know her, yo. No, she can't.
So was for one of the recent time was when we was at that Smash Your Pants.
What happened?
Smash Your Pants, whatever. Don't lie.
I don't remember seeing you there.
Yes, you did.
Bro, I never seen her before,
You
yo.
lied.
I don't know her. She know me.
No, y'all, he lying though.
Who is this?
Yo, when he took off the thing, he already knew who I was.
Cap. Y'all know that shit.
I'm abusive, so I will smack you.
What?
Oh.
I like abusive shit. I like abusive shit. If you're not aggressive, then what you doing?
You got a call?
Yeah, I got a call. My call over there.
Right.
Wow, what's up?
I like that.
Anything you
I
want
like
to
a
ask
man with a call.
Anything you want to ask me, like what I do, like, you know what I'm saying? You don't know, I might be dangerous. You don't know what I be doing.
Alright, so what you be doing?
What I be doing?
Yeah. Like, what you like to do?
What I give off? Like, looking at my apparel, like, what I give off? Like, what I look like I
What's
do?
on the feet? The Balenciagas?
Yeah.
Balenciagas. Damn, I said that with an accent.
She hella country.
Don't do that.
Damn,
You look like you sell drugs.
I like a drug dealer.
Got the new hat on.
She liking that
New, yeah.
I don't sell drugs, bro. I scam. I scam, but nah, for real though, I'm an entrepreneur, yo. I do YouTube. I drive trucks, yo. I'm an electrician, yo. But I mean, go get y'all some real money. What you do, miss? Miss. He know me. I don't even know Jordy.
Yo, I be chilling. I be out the way. Seriously.
You be out the way?
Yeah. I'm a party promoter. I'm with Impulse, if y'all don't know.
Oh, they coming back. But I ain't gonna lie, I might gotta take shit home, yo. After this video we made, I might gotta link up after this video. They coming back. I might have to lock the doors on them. I might lock the doors on them. They not getting back in here. Look. I'm not getting back in here. I'm not getting back in here. Look, yo, they not getting back in here. Me and Shay taking over the coupe. We good?
I open the door and tap that so they can know we alive. We alive. He left the door, y'all.
Y'all want us to come in or like?
Yes.
You want them to come in?
Oh yeah, they can. I don't care.
Or you don't want them to come in? Let them know. You want them to come in? You don't want them to come in? You need more time?
They can come in. They can come in. I don't care.
Y'all can come in, yo. Come. So how you feel about her? He talking to him. I'm talking to you.
He cool for real.
He cool for real? You fuck with him?
So I'm ready, cause I'm ready to end this off, cause y'all want us to come in with me in the video, and shit like that, of them natures and shit like that.
Oh shit.
We ain't care about your needs at all.
My
So like, y'all fucking with each other, right?
Yeah, you fucking with me?
I'm trying to rate each other now on a scale from 1 to 10. That shit was still pretty high. Like,
Real shit.
What you rate? She gave it a, what you gave it at first? An 8 or a 9? No, she gave me a 9. Listen, I asked her how she feel about the date. She gave it an 8. So what you giving it now? Don't lie. Off of everything.
I give it a 10, but I don't know. It's a 10. I'm gonna give it a 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10 too. This is my first blind date.
Mine's 2.
So W first blind date?
W. I give
Say
it a
no more.
I give it a W. Look.
No more.
From I get a W.
So look, since y'all both fucking with each other and shit for real,
What's going on?
y'all can do all that other shit later. We ready in the video.
So how we gonna end it out?
You know, y'all ending it out. Like, how do y'all want to end y'all video off? This is your video.
Like
I'm just a part of it.
You wanna let them see what we was doing before? Y'all gotta count it down though.
I feel like
Where you want us to count it down from?
3.
3.
Hold on, she got her phone in her hand.
I'm sorry, cause okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, so y'all fucking with each other like that. That was an act though.
Bro. Oh, you want some?
I said 3,
Oh my god.
2, 1.
Get a number. gotta pay him.
Do that again, but show his message.
Stop.